what's up, you guys? I'm trying the new churro dog from Churro Mania. So let's see how it is. I'll let you guys know right now if it's good. Pretty good, you guys. It's a churro dog. It's like a churro split in half. That's a hot dog. It has mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, and these little potato chips. I don't know if you know, all of you know what these are, but that's what it has. It's pretty good, you guys. Try it. The store is called Churro Mania. Comment down below if you guys tried it before. If not, you guys should try it out. It's good.
The next day.
Hey you guys, what's up? Today I went to the store and I bought me some Lay's potato chips. They're brand new. Well, I don't know if they're still brand new, but it's my first time trying them. It's Doritos Cool Ranch flavor. So I'm gonna taste them right now to tell you guys if they're good. And if you want to try them and let me know if y'all like it, comment down below. I'm gonna taste them right now. Pretty good. If you guys tasted the Doritos Cool Ranch, it tastes the same, not that much because it's the Lay's, but they're pretty awesome. Try them and let me know what you guys think, and let me know what other videos you guys want me to do because I want to do more videos. Thanks.
Three hours later.
Hey guys, I'm shopping at the store and I saw these new Lay's. I don't know if they're new, but they've been here. I don't know if they've been here for a while. It's the Flaming Hot Deli Pickle Lay's potato chips. So I'm gonna try them today to see how good they are. They have to be good because it's Flaming Hot, the Cheeto brand. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life with Chicho. Today I'm gonna try me Lay's Flaming Hot Dill Pickle flavored chips. As y'all know, I like everything that is flaming with the taste of the Flaming Hot Cheetos. And this is the Flaming Hot Cheetos, so this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna let y'all know how.
Don't cover your face.
I'm gonna let y'all know how.
Don't cover your face.
I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. This is the bag of the. This is the behind the bag. I'm gonna let y'all know right now how it tastes. Pretty good.
A few moments later.
You buy a bag of potato chips that it costs like $4, and look at how it comes. It comes halfway. They should, if you're gonna buy a bag that is $4, they should have it full all the way up here, not all the way down here. What kind of crap is that? That's just not right. $4 and it's all the way down here. You'll finish that in a quickness. All right, let me taste it again. They're pretty good. You can taste the pickle, and you can taste the hot. It's kind of spicy, not that much, but you can feel the spicy. Well, that's all for today. Hey guys, I'm back. Last but not least, the last ones that I'm gonna try again. Lay's Wavy Funyuns onion ring flavor, which everybody knows what the onion ring flavor is. They have to taste good because everybody loves onion rings, even the hot ones. I'm gonna open it right now. Let's try them. They smell like the onion rings. Again, I just bought me another bag, guys. Another bag. This one cost me almost $5.
Stop lying.
Well, it says on the receipt $5. And for something like that, look at that. It's all the way to here. For that, they should have them for $1, like they have them, like they have the other ones that you get for $1. Because this is half. Let me taste it. They taste just the same like the onion rings, only they're Lay's, but they're good though. You can taste the flavor. Only it tastes, they made it taste more right here. They made it taste on the potato chips more. You could taste the flavor more than how you do it with the onion rings. But they're good though. I recommend you guys to try all the potato chips like I said and let me know what y'all think. Well, that's all for today, guys. If y'all like the potato chips that I did, comment down below which one is the one that y'all like it and let me know what other video y'all want me to do. Thanks. Bye. Hey guys, I'm practicing for my TikTok videos. Let's see how it goes.